Good morning, children. Let us take up map work today. We are taking up Climate of India lesson. There are three winds in our lesson curriculum. First, let us see the southwest monsoon winds marking. So, write the heading as winds. Write today's date. Right? And very essentially, you should start with the ocean and the water body's name. If you don't write the ocean name and the water body's name, this question is not evaluated actually in the exam. So, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. This is the first and foremost thing you need to do when a bin question is asked in the exam. So, first and foremost thing is you need to mark the ocean. Now, let us start the marking of southwest monsoon winds. Right? Choose some different color. For video, I am using sketch, but you should use only stick pen. Carefully listen the marking. Okay? First, let us not draw an arrow. Let us draw some lines. So, you have this particular identification, right? That is Kaveri tip. Draw a slanting line. Between the Krishna and Bhima, that is this particular line, draw one slanting line. The slanting should be proper, else it goes wrong because it's southwest. Then we have Godavari. Draw a slanting line. So, 3 lines, right? So, it is southwest. So, the map, this is north, south, east and west. So, this is southwest. So, know the direction slanting. So, draw the arrow head, right? Next, this is the 3 arrows should be drawn. Then we know that this branch, Arabian Sea branch, is split into 2 by the tip of the peninsula. So, totally 4 arrows this side. Next, listen carefully. Bay of Bengal branch we are going to draw. Again, we have Kaveri. So, keep a point here. Near Godavari and Krishna, keep a point here. Near Mahanadi, keep a point here. Right? Southwest direction. So, it should be slanting. You can even use ruler to be more exact. Right? Here, we have Garo Kasi Jaintia. You need not actually draw that for wind. For your identification, I am drawing. So that from Mahanadi till this Garo Kasi Jaintia, you can mark 1 arrow. Clearer? So totally Arabian Sea branch has 3 arrows. Bay of Bengal branch has 3 arrows in the water bodies and 1 which is split by the tip of the peninsula. Right? Now, let us go further into the northern plains. Remember, we know this is River Narmada. So, above River Narmada up to Chota Nagpur Plateau. Right? Draw one line. And we know that we have Aravalli here. Again, children, this is not necessary to draw in your wind map. This is for your identification. This is Aravalli, not essential to be drawn in your wind map. Maybe if you want, you can draw it so that you can be exact. So, the wind blows parallel. Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon blows parallel to Aravalli. So, up to here, touching river Yamuna and Godavari, mark arrow till Chota Nagpur Plateau. So, now Arabian Sea branch is over. So, Arabian Sea branch, one part travel towards the Chota Nagpur Plateau and another travel towards the foothill of Himalayas, right? Now, let us complete the Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch also, a part of it gives rainfall in Chota Nagpur Plateau. It takes up a turn, right? Clearer. And this branch which hits this Garo Cassia Jaintia on the Arakanoma hills here, take a diversion and blows over northern plains. Right? Clearer? Only 2 arrows are essential, or you can draw one arrow clearly up to this. So Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch meets in the Uttar Pradesh around Delhi. Clearer now? So this is the marking of southwest monsoon winds. Play the video again and again and then mark it. Very essentially we need to mark the legend now. Legend box should be drawn here. Use the same color which is being used. One arrow and write it as, use pencil to write. Okay, should not write in the stick pen. Use pencil. Southwest monsoon winds. Remember children, you should not write in short form too. Clearer with this? Right. Let us move on to the next map. Thank you for this.